Have you ever dreamt of living in an established inner city community, close to tons of amenities like shopping, restaurants, and nightlife, while also enjoying a park-like atmosphere surrounded by schools, recreation facilities? Well, you can find all of that at 2332 24th Ave Southwest in the beautiful community of Richmond. Shemeril Homes has designed and built a beautiful modern infill with tons of upgrades. Custom designed cabinets with pullouts on the L-shaped rear kitchen. Elegant floating staircase with built-in lighting. 4 bedrooms above grade, including the glass-enclosed third-floor master. Sophisticated glass-enclosed wine room. My name is Shane Voss with Infill Hub Group at RE/MAX.